everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have a review for you guys of two separate products from the company. Let me show you right here. Easkep. There's the name of this packaging. That's the name of the company. This was sent to me for review. Both of the items are available on Amazon, and I will have the links down in the description bar below, so you guys can go check them out. So as you can see, I have an LED lamp for curing your gels, and I also have some gel brushes. I was very excited to get these because I'm starting to get into potted gels, guys. Yeah, the potted gels that don't come in the bottles, and you do need separate brushes for these. So in here you can see what these are. Gel brushes are used for obviously applying your UV gel, French nails, creating 3D patterns, flowers, nail powder and flakes can be picked up by these brushes, etc., etc. So you can also create art. So I'm going to go ahead and let me go ahead and open this package so I can show you in further detail what these brushes, or the different types of brushes that are in here. There's also a dyeing tool, I see, and then we'll go into the lamp. Okay, so here's the set of the 6 different brushes. Very affordable, guys, so you guys have to check them out. And you can see the brushes come, this one's a dyeing tool with 2 different, let me go ahead and put this down. It has 2 different sides. So this side is it's a pointy end, and this one is rounded, very tiny rounded point right there. I do like that. This one's more of a sharper point, if you know what I mean, more for dragging, and this one more for dots. Then we have this brush right here, and all the brushes, they're just marked with their logo, the company name right there. You can see they come nicely packaged with the plastic cap to protect the bristles, and these bristles are hardened with the wood. You know, when they package them, just remember to go ahead and get these wet. So, but there you can see, this is what these bristles will look like when they are wet with product. So you have that fine point right there. And then this one, it's a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic cap as I pick them up. This one allows for a little bit more details. It's a short, fine bristles. This one, it's a flat. And now they're rolling away from me. So this one is a flat. There you can see. So it's got the flat edge. Then we have the angle. These are good for feathery designs or one stroke or even gradients. You see the angle, and then it's got the straight end. And then last but not least, we have the rounded oval bristles. Very nice. We're going right up against your cuticle right there. So yes, I am looking forward to using these. Again, this package is very inexpensive, available on Amazon by Easkep, or Easkep, I should say. There's the name right there. And I will have the link down in the description bar below. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to checking out the features on the lamp. Okay, so here is the lamp. It's still in the box, but I wanted to show you is the Sun BQ5T. And this lamp, guys, as you can see here, it's 120 watts. 120 watts, so my highest one ever. Oh my gosh, pretty soon I'll be getting a tanning bed. Okay, so here's the sticker, and here just has the item number right there. Okay, so on this side of the box here, you can see the life expectancy in hours. You have, let me turn this over, 500,000 hours of lifetime, and it has 36 light bulbs. There you can see that information right here on the side of the box. Let me go ahead and let's get this out of here. Okay, so here's the cord. I'm going to go ahead and unravel this and see about how long it is. Okay guys, so I unraveled this cord and I measured it because, so when I extended it from arm to arm length to arm length, and I measured it, is just below 4 feet long. In my opinion, that's on the short side of it. Okay, so I would prefer probably a cord to be 5 feet, at least 5 feet long. So nonetheless, I'll go ahead and manage to plug that into my extension cord. Now here's the lamp. As you can see, it has a handle, very pretty. So this is plastic, but it has that chrome look one of the other ones that I have, it has, oh, there you can see the reflection. Can you see my polish racks on the walls? And yeah, these are touch. They're not push, they're just touch, and I haven't plugged it in yet. And it's got the name right here, Sun BQ5T 120 watt nail lamp. So this one is, and let me check here. Okay, I have plugged it in. I wanted to make sure on the label, yes, it is a UV/LED lamp. So it's a hybrid, and it will cure both products that cure under UV and LED as well. So I have plugged it in. As you can see, a rather short there on the cord from my extension cord that I already have running under my table. But here, as you can see, it's plugged in. Have not even pushed any buttons or put my hand inside. It defaults to all 0 zeros. Now let's see what happens when I go ahead and put my hand inside. And yes, I'm using an item here. I don't have lights, not letting you see the numbers. So it's defaulting to without pushing any buttons. You can see the reflection of my lamp. It's counting up. So let's see if I push this button right here. I just press it. Oh, that is so soft. And so I felt like for some reason I wanted to just press down, but you barely have to touch it. So then it goes, it's counting down from 10. If I press on, or I don't even have to press, just touch 30. It starts counting down from 30. 60, it's counting down from 60, and this 99 seconds, guys, so this one is counting up, and the light started very low. This is for your low heat mode. This is very good when you have products, so I'm pressing or touching the numbers, when you have products that might cause heat spike. That's very good. And normally this will go up to, if I'm not mistaken, like from other lamps, and I haven't read the directions from this one, it goes up to 30 seconds, and at the 30-second mark, it exceeds the wattage to its max. I went ahead and grabbed the paper here, and it does say on the heat mode, low heat button, this is enter to low heat mode. Power enhances gradually over time to resolve all pain problem caused by any curing gels. And there it has stopped because it counted all the way down from, oh, this is okay, very sensitive. Oh, from when I started it with 99. But yeah, so again, let me point that out. Let me take this buffer out of here. Very sensitive. There's no pushing or pressing. You just touch it. You slightly touch it, and right there, it starts right away. So that's very nice. And I pointed out the handle before. Let me go ahead. And so you have 10 seconds, 30, 60, and then the 99 for the low heat. Okay guys, now about the buttons here and the features and how does this work with the sensors versus no sensor and putting your hand in. So with this lamp, if you want the count, the particular setting of 10 seconds, 30, you must put your hand in there. So you can see it started running. It's not resetting by me putting the hand in or out. It's still on and still making the countdown to 0. Okay, if I want 10 seconds there, I'm going to do 10 seconds. They start counting down, or if I need to go back to 30. And let me go ahead and reset it by unplugging it. Plug it back in. We're down to 0. Every time, if I even, so it doesn't have a memory for keeping. Let's say if I want it so that each time I insert the hand, it always starts at 30 seconds. Let's press the 30-second right there. It's immediately counting down. If I press it again, it's back to 0 and it counts up. So let's do the 30. Actually, let's do the 10 and let's let it count down. So there, the last button I pressed was the 10. You saw it count down from 10. You will think that if I insert my hand now, it will count down again from 10. But no, instead it's counting up to, and it will count up to 99. So if I want the 10 seconds again or the 30 seconds again, I will have to push that button. So from that perspective, it doesn't have that type of memory or that type of intelligence, if you may. The technology feature. You have to press it which is really something that you would expect on each lamp. When you press the buttons, you want it to be preset or pre-programmed to always run the same time if you're doing your nails or a client's nails. With this one, yes, it comes on each and every time you insert, well, it's still counting down when you put your hand in there, but there's no timing. You have to, it always counts up from inserting the hand. It's not, the buttons are not pre-programming the timing unless you do it and while the hand is in there. I hope this is making sense. Plug it here and let's take a look inside, guys. This one, just like that other one, look at that. No dead zone. Look at the nice distribution of LED lamps all the way here towards the front. Remember, this is upside down. And then you have the sides here, 36 light bulbs. And excuse me, here are the sensors right here. Quite low in the lamp. I do like that. I like them when they're low. And then the tray. So yeah, this one it's all black inside. And the tray, it just has the magnets, removable tray. And this one, let's see, okay, so it doesn't have the feet underneath. I've noticed with some of these lamps that the tray, the bottom tray don't have any feet. If you have a, like say like a glass table or a granite top table, they tend to slide. It's good to have the rubber feet underneath. Nonetheless, it's good to have a mat like this, stamping mat, to keep them from sliding around. But here's the shape. Let me turn it around. That's where the plug goes in. Very good. I mean, it has really good spacing over here, plenty of ample space for your hand. And yeah, nice lamp. 120 watts. Oh my gosh. And I have no doubt this will cure any product, so I'm really not going to do any testing. Just basically wanted to point out the features of this lamp and have you take a look inside and what generally what it looks like. If you guys have any questions about this or the brushes, let me know and I'll be happy to answer for you guys. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Easkep for sending me these fun products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.